What are we doing today, sir?
Mowing.
And what else?
Rain.
And what else?
Isn't that it?
I think that's about it. So we're here at Josh's, where we did the reno last week. Look how much has grown, man. We've got some growth on this naughty boy. She's getting longer. So due for a cut today. So we're gonna use the old cylinder mower, even though we said last week on your first mow, use a rotary mower. Josh wants to use the cylinder.
The sand's dry, so it shouldn't pick it up.
Yeah, it should be good. So what height are we gonna do, bro?
I'm gonna try 12 mil, I think.
Nice, we'll give it a crack, and if you bring it up, we have to bring it up. Yeah, you can see a lot of it's filled in, but now we want to take the top growth off so it actually starts to shoot sideways instead of just vertically growing. So nip the top, get it going sideways. So we talked about weeds last week, lots of flea bane. We'll probably do a herbicide application next week with some bow and arrow, maybe some dicamba, just to get rid of this nasty flea bane that's here. Because there's so much of it. What are you doing, mate?
I'm gonna sharpen my mower. I think it needs a proper grind though.
So we're backlapping this thing, which means putting grinding paste on it and making it just so the reel cuts again, because Josh has basically used this to scalp the lawn back. He's in need of a new reel and actually get properly ground properly too. Probably need a bed knife too, I assume.
Probably.
Assault. I'm still puffing from that assault bike.
I'm not doing it.
Yes, you are. Oh, I'm stuffed. Stupid. It's not even contacting. Nah, so we need to adjust the reel down a little bit so it's actually nicking the paper, and then we'll backlap it. We're gonna undo that first.
Oh, well, I wasn't talking about that one.
All right. So undo that, and then we're going to adjust this little screw in here. I don't know if you can see it on camera. Oh, you can. Just that little screw so we can actually take the bed knife, not bed knife, the reel down so it contacts the bed knife. So this side's contacting, that side's not even near. You have to give it a lap. Give it a lap.
Give it a lap.
Give it a lap, brother.
Look how good that blade is there.
Look at a big bow on it.
This is very
What?
fine for your thing, isn't it?
Fine.
Yeah, grip. It is a bit fine.
Isn't it? 120 grit, isn't it?
Yeah,
You only need like 80.
80.
to make it a bit coarser.
But I got it for the greens mower. So if you're not sure what backlapping is, we're basically adjusting the reel down to the bed knife and using some sharpening paste and basically spinning the reel backwards against the bed knife and just sharpening it like that. So it helps sharpen it so we can actually cut the grass blades properly. So you want it to get to a point where you're cutting paper and it's not tearing, because if you're tearing your grass blades, that's when you start getting fungus diseases and other issues too. Oh, first go! Oh, look at that!
Is it cutting or just rolling the leaf?
No, it's cutting. Let's get that low and inspected, boy.
Here's one teeny leaf.
Cutting? It's not. It's tearing a little bit.
Tore a little bit. Jeez, the leaf is fine, eh?
Stiff tough, mate. Bit of hybrid.
Did that really just not even cut? It didn't cut hardly anything.
So what do you reckon? 10 mil.
I don't see what it looks like.
Tell us, Josh.
He's just gonna send it and go to like 7.
Give it another scalp.
I don't think it'll go to 7. I don't think my line's level enough to go to 7.
Yeah, fair enough. So what are you doing here, mate? Explain yourself.
It's going on the back roller and the front roller, and I'm just measuring the distance from the bottom blade, top of the bottom blade, to the top of the level.
And what is it at?
10 mil.
Oh yeah. Yep. No. Well, I reckon that's pretty good. Get no scalping. And it looks tidy as. I reckon you could almost go lower, but let's leave it at 10.
That could, yeah.
10 looks nice.
I don't know if I will with the state of the Bella.
Yeah, fair enough. But it's not cutting too bad. I'm actually quite surprised at that. Some of the blades down in here aren't tearing at all. They're actually cutting clean. So that's where the height was, and that's what we've come down to. So we've probably cut off maybe 10 mil. That's actually cutting clean. Nice. Well, if you've got an old mower like this, you can use a real mower to bring it back in. Otherwise, yeah, if you've got one mower, you don't want to wreck, obviously use your rotary mower, but let's do it. Let's give it all.
Nice.
I wonder how much we'll get off. I bet we'll get 1 catcher.
I don't know. Oh, it's off the whole thing?
Of the whole thing.
Yeah, probably.
What do you reckon, Tay?
What's that?
How many catches do you reckon I'll get off?
Like 1.
Yeah, okay. Everyone says the same thing.
5 seconds and he's like,
won't stay away from me now.
look at him, he put his head there so I can pet him.
Pat me, please. I'm a doggy.
Look, I put my hand here and he'll...
Dude. Dog man. Well, the back's looking so much better, so obviously nipping the top off is going to help promote that lateral growth, as I said earlier. And we're going to give it some wetting agent too, just because it is a little bit dry and there's a lot of sand about, so just retain some moisture, which it looks a little bit dry at the moment, so some water will help it actually move. Retain.
Moist.
Bruhs, yuck. But yeah, we were talking off camera saying we probably going to need to plug some of these spots or attempt some chaff again, but it's just a lot of shade and the dogs, traffic and everything, so...
And the temperature.
It's been
They
freezing.
probably would have taken if it was warmer.
If it was a little bit
just we had
warmer.
like a 0 degree day yesterday.
You could always try
morning.
chaffing it
Well,
again.
Not 0 degree day, 0 degree morning.
Mornings. We got some frost even 2 days ago. When I got up early one morning, I was like, far out, there's some frost. May chaff it again, may plug it, we'll see what happens, but this is starting to really thicken up and fill out, which is nice, and now it should start pushing sideways. What's up, doggy? But yeah, no, it's not looking too bad. Not too bad considering the temps we've had and everything. What's up, dog? You love me. Do you love me?
Frankie, she loves me now.
But it is starting to fill in quite nicely. How many cats did you get off?
1.5.
Oh, more than we thought.
Yeah, me.
It's most of the back lawn, eh?
Oh. Yeah.
It's actually surprised they haven't cleaned that cut in the end.
It's actually pretty good, yeah.
Wasn't that bad at all. Not bad, good size. So we are just putting out some wetter today. As I said, pure wetter. We're putting out some seaweed. I always like to put them both together at the same time. Because we're watering it in, getting it down to the root system, might as well put some seaweed in at the same time. Also, if you've got some of the pure seaweed at the moment, it has been slightly puffing up.
Bloating.
Bloating a little bit just because of the batch of kelp we got this time around. So just in the heat, it has bloated. Nothing wrong with the product, it's going to work well. Just make sure you crack the lid every now and then. There's no defect of it. If anything, it's actually better because it's got a bit more microbes and stuff doing stuff in there, but not good for your container because it bloats out.
Also, when you're doing wetter, try and do it as late as possible in the mixing, because otherwise it just froths like crazy bubbles.
Or froths.
Froth.
Taylor used to say froth.
Shut up, with the TH. Yeah, I did. Froth.
That's right.
With the TH.
If you guys have actually been asking recently too, can you mix your pure wetter with the Lawn Tips mix? You can. You just need to make sure you water it in within the next 2 to 4 hours, just in case, because wetting agent can, if it's a stinking hot day or your lawn's just stressed out, can dry off your plant a little bit. So if you want to, feel free to mix them together. Just make sure you either do it late afternoon and then water in later, or do it early morning and water it in like 2 to 4 hours afterwards too. So you get a bit of that foliar uptake, and then you also get it down to your soil, and your wetting agent gets down in there too.
You know, it was pretty much bare from like here last year.
They were
Like
on
it
through.
started filling the end of the season,
Right.
but it was like literally bare from there back.
Probably because of the ryegrass.
Yeah,
didn't
it was in the shade.
Oh, and that big boy. We trim that and even trim one of those big bad boys off. Just
But
to
it
get-
didn't used to get sun here in the afternoon, so
Yeah, but now it's getting arvo
Yeah,
sun.
it is.
So this will fill in.
but I'm gonna mow that with the rotary mower to keep it higher anyway.
Yeah, okay.
More leaf.
Nice.
But you can see grass coming up.
Yes, I think some of those sprigs are even starting to pop in
Yeah, I
through
did
a little bit
notice
now.
a few pop up. See all this stuff.
Or chaff, sorry. Oh, it is too. Oh, there's a couple there.
Yeah, see?
Nice. Oh, so we had some success.
It's 4 o'clock.
Oh, it's home time, is it? Well, all done. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll keep you guys updated. Do some plugging if we need to. Josh's going to put the sprinklers on soon for the wetting agent. That's about it.
We'll keep Speen feeding that over there.
Bro, I'm not going to
Keep spinning it.
Speed and feeding it. Right, anyway. See you guys. Bye.
See if I get 60.
Nah, you won't.
Oh,
What'd you get?
61.2.
Nice. How did I get nowhere near that?
Oof.
No.
One more time.